thin hairs are more likely to follow. So how to make them thick and strong? Here are some foods that helps in achieving thick and healthy hairs. An excellent source of protein contained by eggs is essential for hair growth. Combination of vitamins in eggs like A, E, folate and biotin are just linked with thick and healthy hairs. Salmon is well-known source of omega-3 fatty acids, one of the key nutrients for hair health. Salmon may thicken the fat layer around the hair follicles, which results in healthier and thicker hair growth. According to a study, one medium orange can provide you around about 60 to 80 mg of vitamin C, which is important for collagen production. And collagen in return helps in strengthening the hair strands and promote thicker hair growth. Spinach is high in iron, which is necessary for proper oxygenation of hair follicles. Vitamin A and C in spinach helps in regulating the production of sebum. Being rich in vitamin E, avocados helps in moisturizing the scalp, and healthy fats in them contribute to the hair strength. Almonds, walnuts, flax and chia seeds are rich in nutrients like zinc, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Consuming them may help in nourishing the scalp, promoting hair growth by reducing hair breakage. Greek yogurt is one of the best diets for hair health. It is high in protein and mainly vitamin B5, which may help against hair thinning and loss.